Did you know that the average person spends 90% of their time indoors? If you're still using harsh chemicals to clean your home, it's time for a change. Meet TidyTex, your go-to cleaning service that not only makes your spaces sparkle, but also prioritizes the planet. Our eco-friendly practices ensure that your home is not just clean, but also a healthier place for you and your family. We use sustainable cleaning methods featuring non-toxic and biodegradable products. This means no more worrying about harmful residues or chemical smells lingering in your space. Imagine walking into a home that feels fresh and smells like a natural breeze, not a science experiment. Our special attention to detail helps realtors prepare homes for sale, ensuring properties shine before viewings, leading to faster closings. We understand the urgency of the real estate market, which is why we offer quick turnarounds to meet your needs. Plus, here's a tidy tip. To make your listings pop, open all the blinds and let the sunlight in before showings. A bright space feels more inviting and helps buyers envision their future there. Ready to transform your home sustainably? Check the video description for more details and contact us today.